Good morning. The last video we were talking about intellectual property rights protection uh, in public policy issues in e-commerce. The three main types of protections we know about: copyright, patent, and trademark law. The goal of intellectual property law is balance two competing interests, public and private. This is basically the objective of intellectual property right laws, right? To protect the work done by someone and to by, and these are we can protect such work in different three ways, that is copyright, patent and trademark. Maintaining this balance of interest is always challenged by invention of new technologies. As the new technology inventions occurs, again we have to go for copyright, trademark or patent. Copyright. It protects original form of expression but not ideas. Right, image form of expression from being copied by others for a period of time. Look and feel. Copyright infringement lawsuits. Fair use doctrine. Digital Millennium Copyright Act 1998. First major effort to adjust copyright laws to internet age. Basically, pictures. Copyright on pictures, whether they are clicked by someone or developed by someone using picture development tools. Implements WIPO treaty that makes it illegal to make, distribute or use devices that circumvent technology based protections of copyright materials. Safe harbor provisions. The copyright is for expression, form of expression, not ideas. If you are going to for intellectual property rights, it is copyright is form of expressions, right? Form of expression. Patents grant honor 20-year monopoly on ideas behind an invention. 20 years monopoly behind an invention. If you are inventing something, you can patent it, and for 20 years your monopoly will be on that, right? And after 20 years it will become free for use for everyone, like machines, man-made products, composition of matter, processing methods. Processing methods, composition of matter. Invention must be new, non-obvious or novel. Encourages inventors, promotes dissemination of new techniques through licensing. Dissemination through licensing, right? This is one purpose. Dissemination through licensing is a purpose. Stifles competition by raising barriers to entry. Stifles competition by raising barriers on entry, right? This is about patent. And in case of e-commerce patent, 1919 State Street Bank and Trust versus Signature Financial Group business method patents. Most European patent laws do not recognize business methods unless based on technology. European laws do not recognize business methods if it is not with technology, not based on technology. If you are patenting any process or method. E-commerce patent, Amazon has one-click purchasing, a patent. Akamai Internet Content Delivery Global Hosting System, that is a patent. Google has search technology, location technology. Google's location technology. It searches near me location based, that is patented by Google, and search whatever we search on Google, that the way Google provides the results, the technology Google is using for that patented by Google, right? Amazon one click purchasing. Theft and innovation, the patent trial of the century. Do you agree with the jury finding that Samsung violated Apple's patents in Samsung Galaxy design? These are the points of discussions. Should trade dress patent cover basic shape elements such as round, cornered, squares used for icons? The Apple look and feel has inspired the look and feel of many other websites and devices. How is this different from the Samsung case? Look and feel, right? Inspired by Apple. Trademark, identifying, distinguish goods and indicate their source. Identify any name, brand name, signature, tagline, signature, logo. Identify, distinguish a set of colors. Identify, distinguish goods and indicate their source. Purpose, ensure consumer gets what is paid for. Expect to receive. Protect honor against piracy and misappropriation. Infringement, market confusion. Bad faith, dilution is behavior that weakens connection between trademark and product. Trademark is used, we know where we use trademark for symbols, for taglines, for colors, set of colors and all. Trademark and the internet, cyber squatting and brand checking, Anti-Cyber Squatting Consumer Protection Act, ACPA. Cyber piracy, typo squinting, meta tagging, keywording, linking and deep linking, framing. Linking, keywording, meta tagging, right? There is all internet terminology, web terminology, we can say more. Governance, primary questions. Who will control the internet and e-commerce? What elements will be controlled and how? Stages of governance and e-commerce. Government control period 1970 to 1994, used by only, right, on the control of government. Privatization 1995 to 1998. Self-regulation 1995 to present. And government regulation 1998 to present. We will discuss other rules and regulations issued by the government, IT Act and all. Who governs the internet and e-commerce? Mixed mode environment. Self-regulation through variety of internet policy and technical bodies coexists with limited government regulation. Right? ICANN is for domain name systems. If you are purchasing a domain name for yourself, for your e-commerce store, internet can be easily controlled, monitored and regulated from a central location. From a domain name service, from hosting services, and on social media, so we can control, right? Taxation. Non-local nature of internet commerce complicates governance and jurisdiction issues. If it is, its nature is non-local. Sales tax and all, if you are selling online, how you will be collecting, how government will collect if you are running a e-store, sales tax or GST. Motor retailing tax subsidies and Internet Tax Freedom Act and further complications are there. Merging of online and offline commerce, taxation of services that we will discuss later in detail. How these things will be controlled and how government is controlling, what are the laws related to net neutrality. Neutrality, all internet activities charge the same rate regardless of bandwidth used. Neutrality is what? All internet activities charged the same rate regardless of bandwidth used. Differentiated pricing categories, cap pricing, tiered plans, speed tiers, different data rates and speed rate plans by the ISPs, internet service providers, right? And usage metering like congestion pricing, highway toll pricing. FCC's 2010 compromise net neutrality rules. Net neutrality rule is all internet activities charge the same rate regardless of bandwidth. The bandwidth is different. Public safety and welfare, protection of children and strong sentiments against pornography, and politically abusive language used on social media. Laws are there, right? Passing legislation that will survive court challenges has proved difficult. Legislations are there. Even if you upload a video, it asks you it is safe for under 18 kids or not, right? Efforts to control gambling and restrict sales of drugs and cigarettes. Gambling is again, online gambling is multiple websites you will find related to the gambling and all. Many of them are on the they looks like they are playing games basically. In Indian context, if we talk, and many countries allows gambling, so they don't have any problem. Currently mostly regulated by state law. Unlawful Internet Gambling Enforcement Act, that is there, if right, and selling of drugs and all that we all know, that disclosed lot of thing in Sushant Singh Rajput case as well, how the internet sites are there, right, and they are selling drugs and all on the internet. The question has been raised by many people, how that is happening. Government had passed legislations, laws for all this as well, right? Many other issues pertaining to the security of the country and all, they are also important, and we will discuss the securities detail in Internet Insight on Society, Internet Drug Bazaar. What's wrong with buying prescription drugs online, especially if the prices are low? Medicines, if we talk about one app, 1 mg they are 1 mg also selling pharmaceuticals. What are the risks and benefits of online pharmacies? Should online pharmacies require a physician's prescription? That is legal. Online pharmacies, if you are sending prescription on the basis of, or you can order medicines online and like 1 mg, and they are providing good discounts as well, and you can order. How do online pharmacies challenge the traditional business model of pharmacies and drug firms? What are challenges in regulating online pharmacies? Right, that is the point of discussion, but that is illegal, selling drugs online by only with the prescription of a doctor. Right, this is all about, in nutshell, the public policy issues in e-commerce, and many security or other related issues we will discuss in detail in next following sections. Right, thank you for the day.